Oh, are you our MaQueen, right? I'm your daddy. My name is Rama. You're MaQueen, right? I know you. Your name is MaQueen. MaQueen Ashafia. You are 3 months? Yes, going to 3 months. 2 days later, right? Is that true? Wow, going to 3 months, being bigger, taller, stronger, smarter. Do you want to be that? Yes? Say yes. Yes, Ayah. Yes, Ayah. I want to be that stronger, smarter. Right? Being taller. Okay. Then we will go home, right? Go to our village. Go to Padang. Go to Pasaman. Visiting Grandma. Hi, Grandma. This is MaQueen, Grandma. This is MaQueen Asafia. Can I hug you? Can I kiss you, Grandma? I want to kiss you, Grandma. Do you want to kiss me? I want to kiss you. Shake hand to Grandma and say, hello, Grandma. This is MaQueen Asafia. You can call me MaQueen. I love you so much, Grandma. Daddy told me a lot about you, Grandma. And I want to say that I love you, Grandma. Can I hug you, Grandma? Can I hug you? Yes. Come on, hug me. Come on, come on. Can I kiss you? Many times. 1, 2, 3. Can I kiss you many times? Yes. Grandma say yes. What is Grandma, Ayah? Grandma is nenek. Ya Allah. Ya nenek, Grandma, right? Do you know that, right? Yeah. You wanna meet with Uda Khalif? Iya. Kakak Dian? Iya. And then Kakak Amel? Iya, nak? You wanna meet them, right? And Ibu Oja? And Pak Wo? That's really funny.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Hello, MaQueen. I'm here. Hello. Hello. I'm here. Ayah is here. Hello. MaQueen here. Hello. Here. Here. Wow, you are sneezing? Okay. Say hello. Later you say hello. Hello. My name is MaQueen Asafia. You can call me MaQueen. I am 3 months. And I have a plan to visiting my grandma in village. Right? And my daddies and Bunda want to do the akikah for me. Please come and enjoy the food. MaQueen will provide the food for the guests, right? Yes? Say yes. MaQueen, here we go. Yes. You want to have a food? Come with MaQueen. MaQueen has the food, right? Yes. Very good.